Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever, where I will show you about very stylish and very unique Brazilian hairstyle. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my channel where we are diving into the captivating world of Brazilian hairstyles that are set to redefine beauty standards. So guys, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video with you. Guys, thanks for watching and enjoy the end. Because this video is full of interesting, stylish and trendy, unique Brazilian hairstyle designs. So guys, in this mesmerizing video, I will be showing an era of very unique hairdos and effortlessly fuse the vivacious spirit of the Brazilian with chic and modern unique ideas. So guys, remember your hair is your canvas. Let's paint it with the colors of Brazilian most breathtaking hairstyles. Watch, learn and get ready to turn head with your newfound hair inspiration. So guys, prepare to be inspired and impressed over some very artistry of Brazilian hair fashion. So guys, don't miss this opportunity to elevate your personal style with these stunning and adorned looks that capture the senses of Brazilian captivating energy. Hit that subscribe button, press the thumbs up and join us on this hair adventure that celebrates the beauty of us. So guys, whether you have naturally curly hairs, sleek straight look or something in between, these Brazilian hairstyles are designed to enhance your unique beauty. They will also provide you with valuable unique ideas for your hair, shine and manageability. So guys, this video is a full of unique ideas. That evoke the ocean's allure, the intricacy of the braids that pay homage to brilliance, traditions, and the elegance of updos inspired by the country's rich culture tapestry. So guys, please watch my video till end. Thanks for watching and share it, and also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. So guys, if you are new stylish haircut and hairstyle lover, then this video is especially for you and you are at the right place now. Pick up the ideas and apply on your hair to enhance the beauty of your hairs and boost up your confidence. So guys, keep watching, stay blessed in your lives. Love is, take care.